Good to ja, good to ja, good to ja. Watali baby, omutima gubeera good to ja. Guba gukona we do do do, gukona we do do do. Hello abemikwano, how are you? Nzize okubakowola mwena nga 1st August wali ku Theatre La Bonita wali screen night y'omukyala Namulondo Evelyn. Mukwano gwange nnyo, muganda wange nnyo Namulondo Evelyn on the 1st of August. Ina screen night ye ku Theatre La Bonita jatumye Double Trouble agenda kuba ne mukwano gwe Kalule, Moses Kalule. Guys, mujje munyumirwa abayimbi banji tumwerekeddeko ate tugenda ku acting. We are going to be acting. I'll be acting alongside Namulondo and Moses Kalule. Guys, come, let's have a good time. It's going to be so much fun. 1st August, Theatre La Bonita, Double Trouble, screen night, yeah, Evelyn Namulondo, Moses Kalule.